Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland, right? So today I'm in the Plac Kolegiacki that someone asking me that to go here to showing you there are food festival here actually. And yes, so behind me the background is the pink building, and also there are so many wooden stalls selling many food or many food and beverage products. So yeah, I'll show you around. We are in Plac Kolegiacki, Stare Miasto, and have a look here today. So there are so many wooden stalls basically, and that behind is the pink building. And here, oh, the chili, paprika and chili plants. Oh, aloes, basil. Nice. So many stuff here. If you are the plant lovers, probably this one is the place for you, plants and herbs. In front of me is a nice restaurant, and let's see what they sell here. Oh, it's called Ogólno Polski Festival. Oh, they have a ceramic. Nice. They have the honey. Dzień dobry. Oh, so cute. What is this? Kielbasa. Meat. Yes. And here I think is the honey. Nice. I'll show you around. Oh, grapes. Food from the grapes. Słodki grek. Sweet from the grapes. Pistachio. Nice. And here is the cheese. This one is the mountain cheese. This one of my favorite one last time. But I see like there are so many people are here queuing. Let's stroll around. It is a very hot outside. It's about 30 degrees basically. But yeah, let's see. This one is the browar, which means the beer. Nice. Kawa Poznanska. Interesting. That's also another one. Let's go here. What is it? Another browar beer. Belgian blonde, Perlage, Hitchka. Nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Another browar. Oh, this one, the queue is so long. This one, the bread with this. Let's see. I feel like I wanna buy something. Kurchak, chicken chow mein, wolomia, gojang. I feel like this one is the Asian food. See, from the name, this one is the Asian food. Oh, it's the Asian food basically, and that's the sweets. Baklava, sweets. I feel like I want to buy something. god. Nice. Cannoli, pistachio. So nice. Okay, let's stroll around first and show you the place. There are so many nice things. Aha, what is this? Another sweets. The shape is so funny. Look like this. Ah, that's look like the pear. Nice. Let's see. How about this one? I think the wine or something. I think this one is the meat. Yes. Kielbasa, sausage. Cheese from the Netherlands. Interesting. Wine. Honey. Yes, there are so many products. Honey products here. Nice. Another shop is this one. I don't know what it is. I think that cheese. Yes, cheese something. And here is pierogi shop. Ser pierogi. Zemniaki. Oh, this one is the Polish food basically. And you can eat here basically. Nice. Oh, look at this, so nice. Sausage, golonka. This one is so big, pierogi. So nice. And here is the chosnek. Interesting. What is this? Oh, this one is Smentana yogurt. Smentana or something like that. Okay. We were there. I think let's go there behind. Another of cheese. Place to eat and sit. That's nice. Basilica and pink building. One of my favorite pink building. Okay. This one. Let's explore this one. Aperol spritz. Interesting. This one is the cider. Okay. Alcohol, 5% alcohol. Alcohol drinks. I think that's all about the drinks here. People. Again. Another drink.
Bardzo fajnie na prezenty.
I think this one is the pizza. Fish. As I'm here, I will be in queuing buying my favorite cheese. The grill one. Only 6 zloty. Nice. Oh, look at this cheese with the Surawina. Yes, dziękujemy. I got my cheese, actually a 7 saute with the what is it called? Suravina on the top. Everything is so tempting basically. Look at this cake. This one. Ah, everything is so good, so tempting. Nice. So I decided to sit here under the tree. It's very hot outside. So this one is the cheese, actually with the jam, something like that. That is a very bright sky. Actually, it's very hot, and I just finished my serg. I think that is the small market, basically nice, selling all the products here. And I think that I need to have a coffee. Let's go find some coffee shop somewhere. So if we go straight over there, there will be Starry Rinek, and we keep going. And I'm looking for a place to have a coffee. This one is nice, pink sitting, nice coffee shop. But it's quiet. This one cake, dessert, and coffee. Nice. This one also nice coffee shop. Let's see. Nice. Oh, look at this pink building. So here we are. We are now in the market square. Oh, look at this. See, in the afternoon, this restaurant is a bit not really busy. I mean, maybe because of hot outside. And yes, usual that. Oh. It's 3 p.m. It's time for this. People gather. Ah, that's the goat already. Nice. People just gather here for watching this pira of the goat. Nice. How many people, bringing their phone and recording, including me. I just recording the crowd of the people. So now I'm thinking to find one nice coffee shop, maybe for buying ice cream or coffee. This place in the, this road is really like Instagrammable nowadays. Nice. It's beautiful church, isn't it? Nice. It's beautiful. I come here every time and always take a picture here. It's very peaceful when I come here. Amazing. I'm coming to one nice coffee shop. It's actually pink and garden decoration. It's nice. I ordered one hot flat white. I really got headache because of the heat. I really like the ambience, nice green on the top of the trees. The cozy music as well. Nice. So I was there in that coffee shop. Nice. Behind there is one garden. So let's keep walking and exploring. Oh, nice. Right. So I keep walking and walking. Nice. So many nice restaurants actually in this Stari Rinek or Market Square. So yes, this is the center for the tourists basically. Many nice restaurants. So I keep walking. This is in the walking street actually in the next to the Stari Brovar. And even here is not as packed as like summer holiday, something like that. Shopping basically because one of our friends gonna come soon, and I'm in a Puwiska street, walking street. As you see that during this holiday, it's not that packed, but yeah, on the weekend, this is how the situation. It's enjoyable, not overcrowded as any other tourist cities that we went so far. The Baskar on the left, nice. Some of the shop on the right, shops on the left, on the right, Starbucks, coffee shop, and many kinds of shop basically. It's nice. So I keep walking. I will go there to find my tram to go home. I'm inside the tram. It's time to go home, and yeah, this is how it looks inside the tram. Aircon, clean. It's nice. I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.